Tiffany. My name's Brianna with Toriar Digital Marketing, and I appreciate you speaking with my associate Amber today and letting her know that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you guys some tips on how to have your website speak Google's language so you can start bringing in more customers for free. I know you're probably wondering, why would we take the time to do this? It's pretty simple. I used to own my own roofing company up here in Alaska, so I do understand that business owners reach a point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have that free time to sit in front of a computer screen and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the customers to them. And we found the only thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency is obviously they don't know who's going to be an expert and who's going to be a waste of time and money. So we found that by giving that value up front, making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there are still a lot of owners who end up calling us back and asking for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see we've got tricks up our sleeves and you know we could deliver good results for you, then you can always give us a call back to chat. If you want to take the information and use it and implement it yourself, that's totally okay too. This is free education. I'm only going to be talking about 3 quick topics today: content, citations, and backlinks. I love your logo. We're on your homepage here. You do have call to action, but I want to point out that this is not click to call, and a lot of people, they don't like to have to do the work themselves. But you do have the call us today down here, so that's okay. I just wanted to let you know you might want to turn that into a link that they can click on. But your site looks really good. It's actually decently built. I know you have a marketing team that's been helping you with it. Now, unfortunately, Google isn't ranking you based on the appearance or the looks of the site. Google is using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. You want a minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage and a minimum of 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use the rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. This will do 2 things having your site set up like this. It shows Google you're an expert in the industry, not spam, and it gives you more opportunities to show up in more search results because you have more keywords. I actually had a free keyword I wanted to give you guys: roofers, Jacksonville, Florida. This one keyword is being searched 1,000 times a month. That's a lot of roofs. Feel free to put that on your site. That's totally okay. But I just wanted to use this as an example. So when a customer does a search, they're going to see this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. To get this optimized, you want to add your company contact information, photos, website. Once all that's done, you need citations. A citation is just an online directory, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There's thousands of them. You want to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competition, and that's going to push you into the top 3 here. Now, if we continue down, we're going to see the organic search results. Now, the top 5 websites are constantly doing a Google dance. Google is trading their places and rotating them through. We're not looking for these citation or online directory pages. We're looking for the first competitor, and the first competitor is Prime Roofing. So I'll be using them as your competition for the remainder of the video. I've actually pulled up their site over here, and we can see just how much content they put on to get onto that first page. And on the other side of things, we use this tool called Ahrefs. This shows what's happening on the back end of a website. Now, I've pulled up your website and we can see your home page has a strength of 11, but your domain ranking is sitting at a 0. Now, ideally, you want them to be a 1-to-1 ratio. Your whole site ranking comes from backlinks. A backlink is when another site or domain online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. And Google loves this because they're all about the popularity contests, but not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you're linking to sites that are relevant to the roofing industry and high ranking themselves. So currently, you have 62 links coming from 13 websites. You have 37 keywords, and all of this is giving you about 9 traffic each month. Now, I do want to point out some of your keywords that your marketing team is targeting don't show buyer intent. Now, you also have your company name popping up, but look, you're not in the first position yet. Your marketing team is working their way up to getting you into that first position. You're just not quite there. But take a look at some of these keywords. See, check that out. Just not very many of them have that buyer intention of people looking for roofing companies. Now, you do have a few of them, like roofers in Jacksonville, roofer, all of these ones, but look at how few times they're being searched. I gave you a keyword getting searched 1,000 times a month, and it kind of means the same thing, looking for roofers in Jacksonville. Jacksonville, Florida. But I wanted you guys to just get to see where you're currently ranking. You're losing some spots on some of them, and a lot of them you're not anywhere close to the first page. You're in the 6th to 10th page of Google and beyond. So I just wanted you guys to get an idea, like painting contractors, you're in the 93rd spot for, but there's just so many keywords, and a lot of them aren't showing that you guys are number one, and that's what we want to change. But we also want to be focusing on keywords that are more for interested buyers looking for roof work right now, money in hand. We don't just want to look for the ones that are educational keywords where people visiting the site are reading a blog or just information about how to do something themselves. We want that buyer intention. So here's all your numbers, and we're going to go take a look at Prime Roofing. We can see they have a much higher web strength. So what we would do to get you guys up onto that level, we would take the highest quality backlinks from the 3,000 they have, find the best ones that give the most authority, and put them onto your site. Once that's done, we don't want to half-ass it. We're going to full-ass it and actually beat the competition. We'd find even more high-quality backlinks to put on your site. And you can see not all backlinks, like I said, are created equal. They've recently added 17, and it's increased their keyword ranking by 62 places. So I just wanted you guys to see what that meant. Now they have over 601 sites coming from those backlinks, and they've got almost 4,000 keywords. All of this is giving them 1,800 traffic each month. Mind you, they're not paying for any ads. And we already know that they're buyer intention because they're the top ranking for roofers, Jacksonville, Florida. So what does it mean? Well, even if they're only closing half the visitors to their site, that's still hundreds of roof jobs that they're getting the opportunity to do each month. And I want that for you guys as well. We just need to have your website speaking Google's language and targeting those buyer intent keywords. So, quick recap. You want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. Keep that rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every one keyword. You're going to want to get your company information put into as many online directories as you can, and you need to go get high quality backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. Right now, you're sitting at a 0. There's no reason that 62 backlinks shouldn't be giving you more than a 0. And if you do these steps, you guys will be ranking number 1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information. You're probably wondering, what the heck are you supposed to do with it? Take it, apply it yourself, give it to your marketing team. That's okay. This is free education. All that my team is asking for is your feedback. We want to make sure that we're delivering real value when we make these videos. Now, if you did want help getting stuff done because you're seeing that, there's more that should be getting done and is not getting taken care of, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we'll be a good fit together, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook and make sure you're getting that return on investment. Now, our partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback, so thank you so much for letting us send the video. I'm sorry it went a little long going into those keywords there, but I hope you got real value out of it, and take care.